So if you're starting a SaaS or an agency using GoHighLevel and you're trying to figure out the best features that you can sell to businesses that leave you with the highest profit margins with literally zero work in return, then this video is for you. What is up, guys? Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is McElchar. I run a software business called Growth Rate, work with local businesses to help them do a ton of things with their marketing using GoHighLevel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the most profitable and passive features that you can sell within GoHighLevel. I know GoHighLevel does so many features, and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about if you've used GoHighLevel before or if you're currently using GoHighLevel. And if you're not already using GoHighLevel, I'm going to leave an extended, completely free 30-day trial down below for GoHighLevel. This will give you enough time to not only get the entire software all set up, but it'll also give you enough time to implement everything that I'm going to talk about in today's video, so you can actually get clients within those 30 days. You can start making money ASAP. This business model is called SaaS, and it stands for Software as a Service. What you pretty much do is you take GoHighLevel, the software with the extended 30-day free trial link down below. You're able to white label that software, which means you put your own logo on their software and go out and sell it to businesses for whatever price you want. I recommend sell to businesses for between $97 and $497 every single month, but that's completely up to you. You can charge literally whatever you want, and that's the best part about this business model. Your clients will pay you every single month, and in return, they will get whatever that you guys agreed, whether that was a website, a CRM, email marketing, SMS marketing, reputation management to help them get more positive Google reviews. It does not matter. Whatever you sell to these businesses, you sell it for a monthly fee and you literally get to keep it all. Your clients will pay you directly. It doesn't go to GoHighLevel. That is why this business model is the most profitable business model out there right now. If you compare it to other business models like dropshipping, you got around 30% profit margins, SMMA around 60% profit margins. Whereas with the SaaS, this business model right here, my profit margins every single month are between 90 and 95%. So without further ado, we're going to jump straight over to the computer. And as you can see, I'm currently logged into my GoHighLevel dashboard. And the first feature that I'm going to go over, and you probably already know, is the actual website. So if we head over on the left and we head over down to sites, websites, new website, and we can click on from templates. So let's just say you were starting an agency or you were starting a SaaS business and you were trying to figure the most sellable thing, the easiest thing that you can sell, which is websites, because every single person out there knows what a website is. You can find the local businesses around you that either do not have a website or they do have a website, but it's actually kind of trash. You can go to them, you can completely revamp the website. I also recommend that if you are going to go to a business and you really want that person as a client, I recommend just firing up one of these templates, uploading their logo on the website, and just straight up going into the business owner and showing them how it looks. Say, we can literally have this completely customized, up and running on your domain, so you can get a website up and running in like an hour or two, or you can just tell them within 24 hours. Sell this to business owners. You can either do a one-time payment of say like 500 euros or 1,000 euros or 5,000 euros, whatever. I know website prices these days are absolutely crazy going through an agency. And then you can charge a monthly hosting fee of maybe 50 a month, or 97 a month, or you can also include all the other features. So it's not just a hosting fee. You can sell for 197 a month with the website hosting, reputation management to help them get more positive Google reviews, and maybe email marketing. You can also throw that in the mix. So what we want to do is, let's just say we go over to the website and we scroll down over to automotive, and we're going to maybe go into like a car dealership, for example. So auto sales. All we gotta do is click on the eyeball on here and it'll give us a quick preview. We can see how it looks. And yeah, that is just loading right there. We can click on continue. As you can see, it's adding a template in right here. Once it's loaded in, you want to go back a step and then you want to go back in again. It usually just takes around a few seconds to load in. Then what we can do is click on this little arrow right here beside edit and edit this in a brand new tab. This is the website builder in here. It's exactly how ClickFunnels works if you've ever used ClickFunnels. It's not like WordPress. It's not like Webflow, like any of those other really sort of difficult to use, and there's just a lot to it. Website designers, this is the easiest way that you can get a website up and running for a client. It's literally a drag and drop builder. It's the most simple way. So let's just say you can see the logo here, the placeholder. If we click on here, if we scroll down on the right, you'll be able to see brand logo right here, and we got this URL. We just want to click on this image right here, this button, and then if we want to head into my growth rate folder, and then we can use my logo right here. So as you can see, obviously we gotta figure out some line spacing issues and stuff to just make this header a little bit smaller. But you can literally, it's just as simple, like get access to your private inventory today. It's literally as simple as just doing this. And you can also get a mobile view on here. So we click on mobile mode, we're able to see how it looks on mobile. We can change this on mobile. So let's just say we wanted to like get rid of this button right here, for example. We are able to scroll down, and if we head over to advanced, let's just say we wanted this button right here to only be on the desktop view and not the mobile view. We can click on this, go over to advanced, and if we want to just deselect mobile, as you can see, it's not here anymore on the mobile view, but it is on the desktop view. So the website builder is probably the most sellable thing. If you're trying to figure out the best feature that you can just sell, and you know some businesses around you that do not already have a website, then the website builder is the best thing. The next best feature that you can sell to businesses, and in my opinion, this one really does sell itself, and I recommend you sell this to businesses like hotels and restaurants, those types of businesses that are always dealing with a lot of people. Maybe not so real estate agents or mortgage companies or insurance companies. This is for those businesses like hotels, restaurants, gyms, businesses that are always dealing with a lot of people. This one sells to these businesses right here. It's called reputation management, and in a nutshell, what reputation management is you're able to go to these businesses, you're able to help them get more positive Google reviews or TripAdvisor reviews or Booking.com reviews. It does not matter what platform, you're able to do this for literally any platform out there. You're able to help these businesses bring in more positive reviews on these platforms, but you're able to internalize and hide negative reviews from going to these platforms. So if you think about a hotel, for example, when was the last time you checked into a hotel? The stages that you usually go through is so first thing, you want to actually check into the hotel. So you speak to the receptionist. Sometimes the receptionist mightn't be having that great of a day, which instantly adds a dampener to the experience of a customer. So that is strike one of a customer maybe leaving a Google review. The receptionist might be having a good day, might be having a bad day, but if they're having a bad day, usually that is one of the first sort of things that, it's the first experience that a person has had at that hotel. So instantly their guard is up. The next thing is, the person actually goes to the room. So they check into the room, and that room mightn't look exactly how it looks like in the images online. It mightn't be the cleanest, or it just overall isn't what the person expected. So that is already another reason for someone to leave a negative review. My point is, there's so many different things that can go wrong for hotels when it comes to, customer experiences. So if you're able to go to these hotels and bring in more positive reviews for them, but the negative reviews stay internal and they go directly to the hotel owner, that is why it sold so well for me and so easily for me at the start. What I actually did was I chose a day where I hit up literally every single hotel around me in my area. It's exactly what I recommend for you to go ahead and just do this, because if you want to head into the hotel, you want to speak with the manager, you want to do a demo and show them exactly how it works, how you can get it up and running for them in literally like 15 to 20 minutes, and it just sells itself. So how it works is, the first step is the customer review portal. So what happens is, so let's just say whenever someone's checking out of the hotel, the receptionist might have a QR code on there, or they might add them through an automation so it happens automatically. The person will fill out their name, their email and phone, and this form is completely customizable. And by the way, if you're trying to figure out how this works or whatever, this is a snapshot right here within GoHighLevel. And if you don't know what a snapshot is, it's pretty much a pre-built account with all the automations and all the funnels and everything. I have provided this funnel snapshot right here to every single one of the people that sign up to GoHighLevel using my link. It's all included within the course that you get. So whenever you do sign up for that extended 30-day free trial link down below in the description, you will get access to the snapshot right here, so you can literally just start selling reputation management right away. You get access to the Start Your SaaS course. That's the complete A to Z, beginner to expert in terms of GoHighLevel, how to get it all white label, how to get clients on board, how to find clients, how to even accept payments from clients. The free course all includes every single part of that. You get a ton of different bonuses, resources, and scripts all included within that. So you get access to this reputation management. Whenever someone fills this out and they submit it, they will receive an email and it'll just say, hey Jason, thanks for checking out. I hope you had a great experience. Please leave us a review here. So the next stage is, would you recommend us? So as you can see, and this is all completely customizable, you can change the color. Sometimes clients request that the 3 button right here is in orange, because it's obviously not like a completely negative, but it's also not that good. So you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 stars or 4 stars is going to open this pop-up right here. It's going to have Google and TripAdvisor or Booking.com, or maybe just Google on its own. Again, this is all completely customizable. What happens whenever someone clicks on this, clicks on Google, it will automatically ask them to leave a review over on Google. So as you can see, it took them to my growth rate. I just have that linked on there. This would be the hotel, for example. It doesn't just take them to the hotel on Google and that's it. They got to figure out how to click on review. The way I have this automation set up is it will automatically have the pop-up. So then the person just needs to click on review, type out the details, whatever it was, and click on post, and boom, positive reviews are just flowing in for that business. Whereas instead, if someone was to click 1, 2, or 3 stars, it takes them to this internal feedback form right here. And what happens here is the person will actually go ahead and leave their negative review. They'll get whatever they need to get off their chest. They'll leave their name, their email, their phone, and the message. Again, this can be customized. This gives the hotel owner the opportunity to figure out exactly what went wrong, and they might even reach out to them and offer like a discount or offer some form of reimbursement for the negative situation. Trust me when I say this is an absolute game changer for those hotels out there. Now, the next best feature that you can sell to clients to get up and running in as quick as time possible, doesn't really cost you anything, is automation. So over on the left, as you can see, we got automations on here. I'm just going to search for maybe my appointment reminder automation as an example. So if you go appointment booking reminder, the way you can build automations out is it's from scratch. You can literally build them out to whatever way you want. You can get automations to do whatever you want for clients. So let's just say, for example, this one right here, the trigger is whenever a customer booked an appointment in my calendar, this automation will trigger right here. So what this automation does is it will add a tag to the actual person, just letting me know internally that the call has been booked by this person. It will then send me an internal notification. This notification is to the mobile app, so it just lets me know that someone has booked in for an appointment. I get notified instantly, literally right away, as soon as someone books in. It will then send the person an SMS, so an actual text message saying, hi, contact first name, so it's all completely customized. Your call on, and then appointment start time, and the date has been confirmed. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to speaking with you, Jason. It also sends them an email confirmation. So as you can see, it has the email on here, and what we can do here is we can do reminders as well. So 24 hours before the appointment, we'll also send another email, and then you can do maybe 6 hours before. The next one I have is 1 hour before. We send me an internal notification, so it just lets me know, okay, bro, you got a call in 1 hour from now. It also sends them another reminder email, and then this is the most crucial one in my opinion. This has led to the most show-ups on my calls, is 10 minutes before. So it will send them an email, and it'll also send them an SMS just saying, here's a reminder for our call starting in just 10 minutes. Let me know if everything is all good to go. With automations, you can literally build these out whatever way you want. So let's just say at the end here, we wanted to, maybe add a task, and that task is to, follow up with this lead, or, jump on the call, whatever you can even do. So you can head over to something like Vocaroo, and you can pre-record a voicemail. It might just say, hey, it's Jason here. I'm looking forward to speaking with you in 10 minutes. If you have any questions, make sure to bring them to the call. You can upload this, and this will automatically go to the actual person's phone 10 minutes before the appointment. There's so many different things that you can do with automations. You can even send like Facebook messages or Instagram DMs or more emails or WhatsApp messages. It does not matter. You can keep going. That there's literally no limit when it comes to high level automations. You can keep building them out. Does not matter. So if you're thinking about starting a SaaS business or an agency using HighLevel, I hope this video has cleared up some things when it comes to what you can offer, who you can offer to, and what you can price it as to each client. Again, like I said, if you're not already using HighLevel, there's an extended, completely free 30-day trial link down below. You'll get access to everything like I mentioned, like the Start Your SaaS course, one-to-one mentorship. We also do weekly coaching calls. You get a ton of different scripts and different resources. You'll get access to everything for completely free of charge. The reason why this program exists is it will give you enough time to get everything all set up, but also make money within those 30 days. So you are not losing any money at all. There's zero risk to you. If you're already an existing user of HighLevel and you want to jump on board within my community, get one-to-one mentorship, get the course, get all the resources, there's going to be a second link down below in the description, and that's actually an upgrade link. So if you do use that link, then get signed up for that and just DM me over on Instagram. Just let me know that you've signed up using my link. Send me over your email so we'll be able to confirm that you've actually done that, and we will get you inside the community, the course, everything that I just mentioned, the scripts, everything, all that good stuff. If you have any questions at all, either comment them down below or drop me over a follow on Instagram and just ask me over there. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.